Hi everybody! This short video illustrates how to do a screen recording or a screencast using your Apple computer. Screencasting is very useful when you want to record and share content from your computer. This particular recording is done using a MacBook Pro, but the logic is the same for all the other Apple computers. There are multiple ways in which you can do a screencast on an Apple computer. However, in this video, I will illustrate one of the most common methods to do a screencast by using the QuickTime application. QuickTime is available in the Applications folder and can be easily accessed from your computer's launchpad. Once you open QuickTime, you will see the main menu on the top of your screen. From here, click on the File menu to access the recording options. As you can see, there are three options: New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording. The New Movie Recording allows you to record content from a camera connected to or installed on board your computer. The New Audio Recording option allows you to record sound through a microphone connected to or installed on board your computer. We will concentrate on the New Screen Recording option. When you click on the New Screen Recording option, a new menu will open. First, the menu includes an indicator of the sound level of your currently selected microphone or sound source. In the middle, you can see the Record button. We'll leave it alone for now, but we'll come back to it. Clicking on the menu expander next to the Record button allows you to select among all available sound sources on your computer. At the bottom of the menu, you can see the overall volume level. Recording a screencast involves two steps. First, clicking on the Record button will open another set of options, which prompts you to select the size of the recording area of the screen. Please note that you can record a specific area of the screen or the entire screen. In this video, I will select the option allowing me to record the entire screen. However, the logic is the same for any specific selected area of the screen. Once the recording area is selected, the recording begins. A small record button will appear on the menu bar of your computer. Now you are recording everything that is shown on the screen. To end the recording, you need to click on the recording button located in the menu bar. Upon clicking on the recording button, the recorded video will appear on the screen. Do not forget to save the file. The default file format is .mov. The resulting video will retain the resolution of the area of the screen that was selected for recording. The video can now be shared using typical sharing protocols such as AirDrop and can be posted on YouTube. The video can be further edited in QuickTime using basic commands such as rotation and trimming. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for other videos, please drop a note in the comments below. Thank you.